Now, I would like to request Dr. Tanveer Ahsan Bhatti. Dr. Bhatti Sahab is one of the well-known probationary officers of 36 Common. He has written a book regarding Pakistan. The book is What Plagues Pakistan, and Dr. Bhatti is going to share his views with you. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Tanveer Ahsan Bhatti.
Time is always determined by the speaker, not by the audience. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Honorable Director General, Foreign Service of Pakistan, highly esteemed Additional Director General Lords, highly respectable faculty members, praiseworthy guests, dear comrades and friends. I am indebted to the eagles of Iqbal, the soldiers of the Qaid, the exalted officers of the Foreign Service of Pakistan who let us an opportunity to communicate them the message of commonality and comradeship, fraternity and friendship, national solidarity and public service to the best brains of the country, the celebrated civil servants of Pakistan during the formative phase of their career when they are going to frame the foreign policy of the Pakistan and determine the destiny of the nation after a few months. I appreciate all the august audience who are here to strengthen their faith and establish universal values, reinforce their confidence in the service of humanity, fortify their trust in the motherland, and to kindle the candles of hope and optimism for a glorious future in the midst of murky shadows of gloom and dark dust of pessimistic doom that are wreaking disaster on our soil. I can express my feelings while seeing you again at dot in the verses of Faiz. Zab ka ahd bhi hai, शौक का पैमान भी है, अहद और पैमान से गुजर जाने को जी चाहता है, दर्द इतना है कि हर रग में है महशर बर्पा और सुकून ऐसा कि मर जाने को जी चाहता है. Today I want to urge upon you to sign a promissory note. सर मक्तल भी खुदी की तशहीर करेंगे, न किया था न किया है, न खुद को बाबाए जंजीर करेंगे. इस धरती के सूबों में हम उल्फत की जंजीर बनेंगे, नफरतों के गिरदाब के अंदर हम मोहब्बत की तस्वीर बनेंगे. बेनकाब करेंगे दुश्मन की साजिशों को और धरती मां की तामीर करेंगे. इस पाक सरजमी की बका के लिए कायद को रहबर इकबाल को अपना पीर करेंगे और एक अहद करें. उलझे हैं जिनसे हमारे हम वतन, इन पेचों की हम तफसीर करेंगे. किर्चियां होगा जिससे बातल का तिलिस्म, आज हम ऐसी तकरीर करेंगे. I want to convey you the message of Qaid that he conveyed to the civil servants of Pakistan in 1948. We should not be influenced by any political pressure, by any political party or individual politician. If you want to raise the prestige and greatness of Pakistan, you must not fall a victim to any pressure, but do your duty as servants to the people and the state. Fearlessly and honestly, service is the backbone of the state. Governments are formed, government is defeated, prime ministers come and go, ministers come and go, but you stay on. And therefore, there is a great responsibility placed on your shoulders. You should have no hand in supporting this political party or that political party, this political leader or that political leader. That is not your business. If you will start with that determination, you will make a great contribution to the building up of Pakistan, of our conception and our dream. A glorious state and one of the greatest nations in the world. I hope that each one of you will understand his own sphere of duty and responsibility and act with others harmoniously and in complete cooperation. Sacrifices have to be made, and I appeal to you, if need be, to come forward and make the sacrifice and face the position of being put on the blacklist or being otherwise worried or troubled. You have to determine the destiny of the state, and you have to correct the image of the country that has been badly cracked and tarnished by the media. Our tourist industry is in the doldrums, and the Foreign Service of Pakistan can play a tremendous role to correct the image of the country. A diplomat, a British foreign ambassador, while posted in America, and when he came back, he conveyed the message of patriotism that fit to the dot here. I go to thee, my country. I go to thee, my country, all earthly things above, entire and whole and perfect, the service of my love. The love that asks no question. The love that stands the test, that lays upon the altar the dearest and the best. The love that never falters. The love that never falters. The love that pays the price. The love that makes undaunted the final sacrifice. If you will work dedicatedly and with a sense of commitment, you can bring independence to the country, because beggars can't be choosers. They can't determine their own destiny. When beggars extend their bowl, they don't feel shy, but the pleasures of independence they never enjoy. They degrade themselves for a scare meal. Physically they live, but morally they die. True spirits of life are in self-reliance, because remedies in ourselves often lie. Dear comrades, your deeds will determine your destiny. Because what Shakespeare said, for sweetest things turn sorest by their deeds, lilies that fester smell for worse than weeds. John Kennedy, while delivering inaugural address to the American nation, conveyed them the message, and I want to convey you the same message. Ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. Past said, you must work, you must devote your energies for work. وہ لوگ بہت خوش قسمت تھے جو عشق کو کام سمجھتے تھے یا کام سے عاشقی کرتے تھے. ہم جیتے جی مصروف رہے, کچھ عشق کیا, کچھ کام کیا. عشق کام کے آڑے آتا رہا اور کام عشق سے الجھتا رہا. پھر آ کر تنگ آ کر ہم نے دونوں کا دھورا چھوڑا. If you want self-actualization, you have to devote your energies for the betterment of the state and for